guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. You are welcome once again to my kitchen. This is Julie's kitchen. It's been a while. How you guys doing? Hope you are staying safe. Hope you are doing well like I'm doing as well. We thank God for everything. I welcome you all back once again to my kitchen. Please, if you are watching me for the first time, don't skip this video without subscribing to my channel. Just click the notification bell to get notice of every new video I upload. Thank you, and always share my video. Also give me a thumbs up whenever you watch my video. Thank you. I also welcome my old subscribers to my channel. I love you all, and I say thank you for joining me today. So in today's video, I will be making the Nigerian moi moi using the leaf. That is what I will be doing today. So I want to introduce you to the recipes I will be using to make this moi moi. Here are the ingredients I will be using in making my moi moi for today. As you can see on the table, I have the microwave fish, I have some eggs here, and my red bell pepper, the habanero pepper, and onion. I'll be adding it to, I'll grind them, and yeah, I have my crayfish salt and my seasoning. This is the leaf I'm going to use in making the moi moi. Also, I have the Nigerian wash beans already. I don't want to waste much of your time, so I just do the watching of camera. As you can see, I use the red beans. So I use the red beans. So sometimes I use white, but today I'm using the red beans. So it's a native. I'm using the native leaf. So I'm adding little palm oil to it and ground oil. So I'm mixing it both because it's somehow native. So I need palm oil. So now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to parboil my mackerel, and I'm going to boil the egg as well. This is the mackerel fish. So I just want to boil it. Just want to parboil it. Use it, add some salt to it, and then meanwhile I'm still going to have the Okay, so let me cover it for about 10 minutes or less than to cook. So now I'm going to grind my beans. Right now I started grinding the beans. So I'm going to grind them and then finish it off camera. So as not to waste your time. So I'm grinding it gradually, so I'll do this off camera, so see you later. Now I've finished grinding my beans, and I'm about to start the mixing of my moi moi. As you can see, the thing is so, I don't know if I want to take some out because there's too much here, so I'm going to bring it out, mix some, then if I turn that inside it. So this is the microwave fish. I remove it off camera. So now I will just break it into smaller size because I'll be adding it to the moi moi. Then the water of the microwave fish, I'm going to add it to the beans.
Water.
So right now I will be adding little palm oil and some groundnut oil to it. Like I told you, I'm using the leaf and it's somehow native, so I want to add. Normally, if I'm to eat it alone, I use only palm oil, but my kids, they don't like eating palm oil so much, so that's why I want to mix it. So I love that red oil shape. I'm sorry, I love the red oil color, palm oil mix. how I've started started wrapping the leaf member, I want to show you how I'm doing it, because you have to wrap it and fold it so that the thing will not pour out. So this is how I'm doing it. Then you put it inside this way, like this. Then I tried my fish and my egg to it. Okay, I'm ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to do another one now. I've already washed my leg and I'm started doing some soap. I'm doing it. Just watch me. So I want to cover it very well so that there will not be leakage. Open it like this and pour in the MOI MOI. So this is how to make the leaf MOI MOI. You have your fish and the egg and cover it. This one is small. The leaf, they are very small. I know. I'm sorry. I thought I want to do it. It's not good. So do it like this. You then need, first of all, before having the money, and have my fish and my eggs. So wrap it. Okay, now I'm going to do the remaining one off camera. Okay, right now I've